Hi students, welcome to today's video presentation on the simple past tense. Again, last couple of days I have been talking about the tenses and we have almost covered the present tenses. Now we move on to the past tense, and to begin with, we today talk about the simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to talk about actions or events that happened and were completed in the past. For example, I taught you English grammar yesterday. So that is simple past. We often use this tense to describe actions that occurred at a specific time or actions that have no connection to the present. If there is a connection to the present, then you go for present perfect, as I already explained in one of the videos in the past. To form the past tense, simple past tense, most regular verbs, we need to use ed. So as you know, there are two types of verbs: regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are verbs to which if you add ed, it becomes the past form and past participle. There are a few other verbs which have got irregular past tense and past participle forms. Like, for example, speak, spoke, spoken. So speak is the present tense, spoke is the past tense, and spoken is the past participle. We often use this tense to describe actions that occurred in a specific time, as I have already told you. Let us talk about regular verbs first. So I will tell you a few examples, okay, and it might be clear to you. For example, walk. If you add ed, it becomes walked in the simple past. And for example, you say, yesterday she walked to the park. Yesterday she went to the market, etc. And another example, I would say, they played soccer last weekend. So remember that if you are talking about a time referred action, definitely you must use it in simple past tense. Many people make a mistake that they say, I have played basketball last weekend. No, because last weekend is an adverb of time in the past. Therefore, it should not be used in any other tense, but definitely you can go for simple past tense. Or you can say, he talked to his friend on the phone yesterday. That could be another example. Now let us look at irregular verbs. How are they used? For example, we went to the movies last night. Especially when you use last night, last year, day before yesterday, or yesterday, we normally use simple past tense. Or you can say, she ate lunch an hour ago. An hour ago is also past. He took the train to work this morning. Okay. Now these are all examples of simple past tense. And now let us talk about when we use this simple past tense. As I have already said, the first use is, this tense is used to express a completed action. We use the simple past tense to talk about actions that happened and were completed in the past. For example, she studied for exams last night. Second use is to talk about past habits. We can use the simple past to describe past habits or repeated actions that are no longer true. For example, he always ate breakfast at 10 a.m. He always ate breakfast at 10 a.m. Now another use is to sequence of events, to express a few sequence of events. When narrating a story or describing a sequence of events, we use the simple past tense. For example, the cat saw the mouse, chased it and caught it. There is a famous saying which I heard: he came, he saw and he conquered. Similarly, when we use a narration, a sequence of events, we normally go for simple past tense. And remember, as we are going to conclude this lesson, I would like to tell you again that there are two types of verbs there, regular and irregular. And if it is a regular verb, you just add ed to make it past tense. If it is irregular verb, it has got irregular past forms and past participle forms. You need to learn it thoroughly. And keep practicing simple past, and simple past is one of the most and widely used tense in English grammar, and you will become a professional English speaker if you can use it properly to talk about past events and to talk about the regular actions in the past or sequences in the past. And if you have any questions or if you need further clarification on this video, feel free to comment in the comment box right below this video lesson, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.